Hey, what's up guys? Today I am making a very simple, healthy and light kimchi fried rice. I'm hoping to make 4 dishes. Alright guys, so first things first, I've got my skillet on high and I'm gonna spray some extra virgin olive oil. Once the heat is hot enough, I'm actually adding in my chicken first. Alright guys, so this is the part where you kind of just want to cook it so that the outside becomes a little bit golden brown and it's cooked through. Probably about 4 to 5 minutes, alright? Alright guys, so now that the chicken is sort of semi-cooked, actually it's kind of cooked, so it's about 4 to 5 minutes, alright? I'm actually just gonna put it out and set it aside. Whoops! There's a flying chicken. Flying chicken. Alright, so using the same skillet, you don't actually need to wash it, alright? We're gonna pour in the sesame oil first. So once the sesame oil is sort of heated up, we're gonna add in the onion and the ginger and garlic, okay? So, onion first. Got my sliced ginger. And finally the garlic. Pretty easy right here. Ooh, the smell. It's pretty easy right here, guys. All we need to do is just sort of cook it through. Let it be a little bit golden brown. Let the onion cook through. The smell. You know what the Malay say? This is called tumis. So we are tumising the onion, garlic, and ginger. Tumising. Once this is cooked through, guys, alright, we're gonna actually add in the kimchi. So we'll add the cabbage first, alright? So fermented cabbage. I'm actually doing this. So basically what we want to try and do is to just grab the cabbage first and then leave some of the juice behind because we need to sort of have this later on. So I'm gonna scoop the cabbage and add into the garlic and sort of leave behind some of the juices, alright? So as much as possible, just put the garlic, just put the kimchi in, alright? So just gonna cook it through this way. Yay, nicey. Just about a minute or 2. Alright guys, so it seems that the kimchi is sort of cooked through. I'm gonna add in the chicken again. So add in the chicken. Alright, and next thing to do is add in the gochujang. I'm actually just using a little bit, okay, but if you like it spicy, then feel free to add more of this. Once the gochujang is in, we're just gonna stir fry it. Make sure it's cooked through. Oh, look at how red this is. It looks really nice. So, just gonna mix it through this way. Alrighty, so if you can actually see, it's red, alright, it's beautiful, it smells really nice. I'm gonna add in my rice now, okay? So this is what I'm doing. Basically, I'm gonna actually portion out my meals, right? So I'm gonna use about 4 half cup cup size of cooked rice. So I'm gonna grab my half cup, all right? So because this is for 4 servings and I know that I'm just cooking this for myself, I'm gonna use a 4 half cup of cooked rice and just dump it in. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Perfect. And the reason why I'm doing this, guys, is because it's so much easier once you want to count your macros and you sort of know that this portion is just for you, right? So makes it easier towards the end. So I'm just gonna mix it through. It's just the cabbage. Make sure we want to fold it together, okay guys, and make sure like every single grain of rice gets soaked in with the kimchi sauce. Smell that? It's amazing. All right. Huh? All right, look at that, guys. It's mixed up. So last but not least, I want to actually add in just 1 piece of egg. All right. So what I'm gonna do is, all right, just to sort of separate the rice apart. All right, and separate the rice apart this way, right in the middle, and grab an egg and crack it right into the middle of the pan. All right, so just want to kind of stir the egg in this way, let it crack, making sure that it's all red and nice. So just a little bit of our kimchi sauce. All right, guys, so just giving it a final stir, and we're adding in our salt and pepper into the mixture. Just a little bit, and fold it through one last time. All right, so there you have it, guys. Kimchi fried rice. It's time to build our meals and do a little taste test. So there you have it, guys. I have 4 meals right in front of me. I have my lunch today, and then 3 meals for meal prep for the next 3 days. I'm gonna do a little taste test right now. So let's do this. I'm gonna get a bit of the chicken and some cabbage right here, and that is amazing. The sour taste from the cabbage, the kimchi, absolutely amazing, and the chicken, the protein, and just a little tad bit of spiciness. This is great. You guys will enjoy this. Make sure you check out the recipe at mealprep.asia, and I will see you guys again next week for another episode of Asian Meal Prep, where I teach you how to cook some awesome, cheap, fast, and nutritiously Asian food. Have a good day. See ya.